Alright guys, in this last video I'm going over number 11. Okay, number 11. Alright, so it says Julie owned a fidget spinner shop. She buys fidget spinners for over $4 each and sells them for $F each. Last month she bought 100 spinners and sold 74 of them and made a profit of $789. Okay, this month she bought 120 spinners and sold them all and made a profit of $932. Which system of equations can be used to determine the values of M and F? Okay, so just for a rewind. Okay, so M stands for the dollar she spends when buying for each spinner, and F stands for the amount of money it takes to the amount of money she makes when she sells them. Okay, so last month she bought 100 spinners. Okay, so when you buy something you lose money, right? So it's minus 100 spinners, so minus 100. Okay, and when you buy, it's M, right? Buys is M. Okay, and the reason it's negative, again, like whenever you go to the store and you buy something, your money goes down. That's why we're subtracting. Okay, but she sold 74 of them. Okay, so 74 times F, because that's how much she sells them for. Okay, and so her profit was $789. Okay, so 74F minus 100 equals 789, so that one's good. 74F minus 10, that one's no good. And that one's no good, and that one no good. I guess the answer would be B. That quickly. But let's just go over that second one just to make sure. Okay, so this month she bought 120 spinners, right? So same thing, whenever you buy something, your money goes down. And then she sold all of them. Well, she bought 120, so she sold 120, and her profit was $932. Okay, so that's how you would do that one. We got lucky because this was in 100, but even then she sold 120, but she didn't just buy one. This is saying that she bought one. No, she bought 120. Okay,